Hey there, welcome back to Umbraco Learning Base. My name is Isha, and in this video, I'll show you how to install Workflow on your Umbraco installation. Workflow is a full-featured engine for Umbraco websites and applications. It extends the out-of-the-box publishing model with multi-stage, highly configurable approval workflows. Let's get started. This is my Umbraco back office. Currently, it looks similar because we haven't installed Workflow yet. There are different ways to install Umbraco Workflow. In this video, we'll look at the .NET CLI installation and the Visual Studio installation. You can find the package in the NuGet gallery. It's called umbraco.workflow. If you're using Umbraco version 11 or later, install the latest version of Workflow. Since I'm using the latest version of Umbraco, I'll copy this command and go to the folder where I want to install the package. I'll open the command prompt here and close the application, and now paste the command. Now, let's run the application using the .NET run command. To install via Visual Studio, we'll first open the project in Visual Studio. Now, we'll go to Tools, NuGet Package Manager, Manage NuGet Packages for Solution. Here, we'll browse for umbraco.workflow. Depending on the Umbraco version you're using, select the appropriate workflow version and click on Install. Cool. Once the package is installed, we can open the CS project file to make sure the package reference is added. Great. Now let's build and run the project. I'll log into the back office. And now you'll notice a workflow dashboard in the content section and a workflow section at the end here. With this, we've successfully installed Workflow in our project. And that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Until then, take care and stay safe.